I really mean that much to you?
Girl, you know it's true.
Krajem 80. godina prošlog stoljeća glazbeni svijet tresla je groznica znana kao Milli Vanilli. Dva atraktivna mladića, duge kose s tasom i glasom obarali su s nogu djevojke diljem planeta. No zvijezdana se priča uskoro pretvorila u jednu od najvećih farsi u glazbenoj industriji ikad. Naime, ubrzo se doznalo kako omiljeni dvojac na pozornici samo glumata, a njihove su hitove zapravo pjevali anonimni glazbenici. Na to ih je danas, tvrdi Fab Morvan, prisilio tadašnji producent Frank Farian.
When he came to tell us, look, this is what we're going to do, we said no, we don't want to do this. But then it was like, okay, just give me my money back and then you can go. But we couldn't pay him back, so we had to work for it.
Dva očito naivna mladića željna uspjeha i slave upala su u zamku lukavog producenta. Nedugo potom otkrili su kako su nasamareni ugovorom koji su sklopili s Farianom.
We couldn't get away because we signed a contract that was not for one single, but for 3 albums. We signed the contract without attorney, without management.
Bijes koji su tada osjećali prema samima sebi bio je nepodnošljiv, prisjeća se Fab. Prezirali su se znajući da lažu vjernu publiku.
When we find out that we wouldn't sing, we were pretty pissed. We were pretty mad because, you know, we thought it was going to be something that was going to be, it was our dream that we're about to live. And suddenly it was cut short with another reality. We were not going to sing on the record, and that was devastating for us.
A ko za vraga njihove su pjesme osvajale top ljestvice diljem svijeta. Bili su u začaranom krugu, iz kojeg izlaza nije bilo. U međuvremenu, na nastupima su se počeli sramotiti. Dok su izvodili svoj playback, ploče s kojih se čuo glas anonimnih pjevača koji su zapravo bili pravi Milli Vanilli, počele su preskakati. Umjesto da ih izvuče situacija u koju ih je doveo, producent je sam progovorio o prijevari. Bio mu je važan publicitet, pa makar i loš.
I started it and I will stop it. So people find out through Frank Farian.
Nakon što je istina izašla na vidjelo, dvojac je morao vratiti dodijeljeni Grammy. Fab i Rob proglašeni su prevarantima. Glazbena industrija bila je zgrožena. Mediji su brujali o nevjerovatnom skandalu.
Rob and Fab, who appeared in the videos, did not actually sing on the record. This is something that is not uncommon from records coming from Europe.
Slava je preko noći nestala. Ostali su samo prijezir i podsmijeh.
You know, when you're hot, you know, people love you, and suddenly when the fame is gone, all the friends, the fair weather friends, are gone because you're no longer relevant to them. And that's when you realize what friendship is.
Staru slavu više nikada nisu povratili. Član dua Rob Pilatus 1998. pronađen je mrtav u hotelskoj sobi.
There are a few things involved, a few elements. Fame is one. You know, and the fame can be a beautiful thing, but also can be disastrous for you because once you lose that fame, many people have a tendency to lose their identity. He died, and also his health failed him because in the end, when you do too much hardcore drugs, it'll take your life.
Za razliku od prijatelja, Fab nije odustao od svog sna. Glazba i dalje bila njegov život.
Girl, you know it's true.
I'm always in the studio recording and evolving as a songwriter, as a producer as well. And it's about living the dream. And the dream was for me to become a singer-songwriter. And that's what I've been doing ever since.
And what are you doing now at the moment?
Well, what I'm working on at the moment is SMFM. This is this new project. We're based in Holland, but it is an international project with DJ producer Sean McCaff and myself. It's dance music, it's electronic music, it's music.
I'm never satisfied, wonder why I'm still around, always in need.
But, you know, I can talk and talk about it. We should go to the studio and see what it sounds like.
Of course.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
I didn't really know who he was. And we've been working like 3-4 months in the studio, and I get this phone call from my ex-girlfriend, and she says to me like, dude, you know who you're working with? I'm like, dude, I don't give a fuck who I'm working with. So I was like, who, you know? It's like Milli Vanilli. And I look at the right, I look at him, and he looks at me, and he starts smiling, and I'm like, starting giggling, of course.
Do you have maybe plans to come to Croatia to play your music?
Definitely. we're negotiating, the foot is in the door, and I hope to see Croatia soon because I've been there 2 times.
Simpatični Sean umalo da nije postao i hrvatski zet.
Marriage is like last option at the moment for me. But I was in love with a really great girl from Croatia.
I keep on doing this one.
Yo, hi. We're SM
FM
You're watching
in magazine.
Peace.